Today I am very touched from this video what you're going to watch. Spend 5 minutes and watch the video to the end. I need to admit, I did cry when I watched this video. I know, real men can cry. Just watch the video and think how these kids, where they live, no electricity, no water, no food, no toilets. It's just sad. It's very sad. Please appreciate what you have in your life. Please think how you can help in your life to anybody out there. Anybody. Thank you so much for everybody who did donation. If you want to donate, feel free. The link, the address will be in the description. I'm using my crypto money and everybody who donate, and I'm helping people like you seeing in this video. Thank you for the person who did this video and for the other people in the Philippines. Thank you so much. I don't know what to say. I'm so touched. This is just crazy, guys. This is just crazy. One of the best video out there. A quote of today is, don't focus on your pain or when you struggle, when you try to achieve your goals. Focus on your progress. Alright then, goodbye.
So this is a slum area which we have visited today. It's a very poor slum. Most of the children are engaged in begging, and also the parents are also into like very cheap labor and all. So they need much support. So here some people also teach them free, and also wherever possible try to support them. So today, with the support of Crypto Phil, we are distributing food to each individual, because they are, due to poverty, they lack nutrition and all. So they lack the proper diet like fruit and all. So you can see this is so many slums. Here they live. You can see their houses. Their parents' per day income would be around like couple of dollars only. So they don't have much to eat and like quality education and all. So here it's a makeshift school where all of the children are tried to get education from the volunteers. So these are children here. We try them to not to get them engaged in beggary, and they can get education and acquire some skills so that they can live with dignity and courage. So we are buying the stuff for the children from the market. You can see some breads, fruits, biscuit, and some more to buy. So this is the stuff we have bought from the market. You can see this is buttermilk, these are glucose biscuits, lots of bananas, and these are bread. So thanks to the kind soul who have donated, and thanks to Crypto Phil for all continuous loving support and helping these children to get some better nutrition and have a prosperity in their day-to-day life. Thank you, Crypto Phil, for all your love and support. So it's time to distribute the packets. So finally we are leaving from the area, and children were quite happy to get some delicious and nutritious meal. Thank you, Cryptophil. Bye.